Hi, my presentation task for my teacher Lika Kobranich in Bogota, July 2020. My presentation, my name is Ora Lucia Ramirez. I am studying business administration. I live from Bogota. Effects on the technology on the environment. Positive effects the technology. Renewable energy as could count as clean energy is energy that is carved from renewable resources with a natural replace choose as sun, wind, and geothermal heat to device choose as solar panels. This technology have than youth or both in the main ways pollution and the depletion of natural resources. We must respect the environment and we should invite ourselves to the same to achieve the planet for our children and grandchildren. Thank you.